In this video, we will see pineapple cake. Here I have taken vanilla sponge cake. From that, I will make pineapple cake without using emulsion or pineapple essence. First, I have cut that vanilla sponge cake in 3 parts. Here I have taken one bowl with water and 2 tablespoons of pineapple crush. So it will give good taste in pineapple cake. And spread that water instead of sugar water or sugar syrup. Then spread whipping cream on it. While using whipping cream, just look at that, it should be half of the layer. Then spread 2 tablespoons of pineapple crush on that whipping cream. So it will give great taste of pineapple. With this trick you can make the pineapple cake for order also. Now place upper layer upside down and fill the gap. Again spread that pineapple water on the layer with the spoon. Just look at how I am using that spoon. It should be inward direction, so water should not get fall down outside. Then again give the layer of whipping cream. When we use pineapple water to spread on the vanilla sponge cake, it turns into pineapple flavor. Instead of using sugar syrup, you can try this one, and at the same time, instead of using any emulsion, pineapple emulsion or pineapple essence, you can turn that vanilla sponge cake into pineapple flavor. So now final third layer I have kept here. Again soak it with that pineapple water and crumble coat the cake. After crumble coating, you can keep it in fridge for 20 to 30 minutes, so there will not be any crumbles in design. Here I am going to make flower design, so I have to give coat of that same color of flower. So I have used little whipped cream to coat it. If you will like my video, please like, share and comment on it, and subscribe my channel and check other videos for new designs of cake. Here I am not going to keep that cake into fridge because due to regular practice I am directly doing that cake design. Now spreading this colored whipped cream for final touch. When we use any flower design on the cake, always keep in mind you have to spread same color at the cake surface, so if there will be any gap, that will not get highlight due to that same color on the base. Now by using scraper I am just removing excessive cream. This is not final touch, so just excess cream I am removing by using scraper, and on top again I am putting same colored cream. By using palette knife I am just giving final touch to it. Then using scraper to line design. And now I will turn this cake on the cake board for the final design. Here I am going to make flower design on cake. For that I am going to use R11 number nozzle. You have to use that R11 number nozzle in that way, so your narrow side will be upper one and broad side will be at below. To make that petal you have to continuously shake your hand from start to end. First complete the first round, then at inside you have to make another round by making petal in between two petals of first round. So like this one we are going to give 3 layers of petals to make that flower. Just look at that, when you are making petal of second round, it should be in between two petals of the first round, so there will not be gap. For inside layer, here I have made some small petals. Now after this we'll give some color effect to that flower. Just look at that, due to shaking of your hand it makes more effect. So first I am spreading here red color, red powdered color, then orange powdered color, and then silver powdered color. Actually all these colors which I am using here are 100% vegan, 100% edible colors. Just look at the look of this cake. This flower is looking very beautiful. This final touch by silver spray color is very good. At center now putting some crushed milk compound. You can use dark compound or any sugar balls, choice is yours. For final touch here I am putting some golden sugar balls on it. Just look at that flower, how beautiful it is looking. So try this at once, and if you will like this video, like, comment and share this video. For more cake designs, check out my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon so you will get notification for more videos. Thank you.